First of all, I would like to bring you up to speed on what corporate bonds are and how to make money from them. A corporate bond is a bond issued by a bank or corporation to finance its activities. Typically, a corporate bond is a long-term debt instrument with a maturity of more than a year. Now that we understand what a bond is, I would like to introduce you to a business, namely Shao Bank, part of Global Future Enterprise Group Corporation, which is a large Chinese holding company that owns 4 companies and a bank. Shao is headquartered in Hong Kong, and the founder of the bank, Yang Shao, is an esteemed individual who has been working in the banking business of Global Future Enterprise Group Corporation since 2006. Yang Shao and I, a bond expert, developed and implemented an innovative peer-to-peer business model that has earned money for hundreds of thousands of people worldwide. Indeed, Shao Bank is proud to be part of the Global Future Enterprise Group ecosystem. It was launched in September 2022 to raise capital and expand the ecosystem of a thriving corporation, as evidenced by all official documents and materials. Now let's talk a little bit about the companies in the Shao ecosystem and their areas of expertise. The bank is the driving force behind the corporation and its subsidiaries. Global Future Enterprise Group, based in Beijing, is the parent holding company that controls companies in the banking, insurance, advertising, technology, and investment industries. The second company is Financial Partners, which has been operating since 1988. It provides wealth management services for individuals and businesses and has its own products in the investment sector of the global economy. The third company is Go Insurance, a subsidiary of Financial Partners. It has been providing life, health, account and business insurance services since 2013. The fourth, Global Future Technology and Culture, is a Class A company involved in technology development, science and engineering, makes large profits from the sale of its developments, and has a hydrogen engine manufacturing facility. The fifth company is Universal Century, an esteemed advertising agency based and operating in Beijing. And finally, Shao Bank, that assisted in removing the company's former partners, to whom the corporation and its subsidiaries had previously provided loans. As a result, the bank has created an independent and secure ecosystem for the corporation, increasing its stability. According to the American edition of MarketWatch, Shao is among the top 20 most promising neobanks of the next 10 years. Through its innovative peer-to-peer business model, the bank has completely eliminated intermediaries for residents of any country to invest in Shao bonds. The bank issues bond series in limited quantities and for specific purposes, namely to finance the business of the corporation and all its subsidiaries. Why do we call our group of companies an ecosystem? Because we have eliminated all counterparties and intermediaries, both for receiving investments and paying returns to private investors. The primary role in the financial ecosystem of the holding company is played by Shao, so all investments and returns are accumulated in the bank, which strengthens the reliability of the corporation's assets and opens up prospects for the sustainable development of the entire ecosystem in the future. Now that you know which businesses Shao's investment capital is allocated to, let's discuss the benefits of being a bondholder. Put simply, you are presented with the opportunity to lend to a bank by purchasing bonds to receive dividends from the total profits of the Global Future Enterprise Group ecosystem. receiving profits every 7 days from the date of bond purchase for 3 years. Example of the return on bond series BB7280. One bond is worth HK $80. Weekly yield, 3.15% of the investment amount. The weekly dividend includes the redemption of the face value of the bonds. Net return over 3 years, 392.75%. Example of the return on bond series AA5190. One bond is worth HK $4,000. Weekly yield, 3.85% of the investment amount. The weekly dividend includes the redemption of the face value of the bonds. Net return over 3 years, 502.25%. After purchasing bonds, each investor receives a registered security from the bank's turnover and a bond purchase agreement, which indicates the legal purchase and guarantees full compliance with the conditions for the accrual of dividends and repayment of the nominal value of the bonds. Don't forget, you choose how many bonds you want to purchase. The size of your weekly income will depend on it, and it has no limits. The minimum purchase is 10 bonds, i.e., you can buy 10, 11, 12, and more bonds at one time. Shao Bank was founded on the 28th of September 2022 in Hong Kong, where its headquarters are still located. Since its establishment, it has successfully opened a branch in the United Kingdom. Registered capital in Hong Kong is HK $7.764 billion, and the registered capital in the United Kingdom is £989 million. Business activities under UK government regulation include banking, lending, and securities trading. Naturally, Shao operates within the law. The bank complies with all necessary rules and requirements set by the relevant governing bodies. Shao has also obtained an International Legal Entity Identifier, LEI, which allows the bank to be clearly and ambiguously identified in international financial transactions. All of Shao's assets are tied to the Global Future Enterprise Group's business and are 100% backed by the corporation's assets, including financial partners, Go Insurance, Global Future Technology and Culture, and Universal Century. Overall, Shao Bank's legal status is well established globally. The bank operates in compliance with the law, providing safe and appropriate financial services to its customers. Now that you know that your money is directed to traditional business development, and you know what kind of income you will receive from investing in bonds, I will tell you about additional earning opportunities with Shao Bank. All customers who have opened an account and passed KYC verification have a personal referral link and the opportunity to create their own bondholder community and earn well from it. When affiliates purchase bonds as per your recommendation, you instantly earn profits. This allows you to generate a high income because Shao provides a generous referral program. It consists of 10 levels, meaning when your affiliates recommend the bank's bonds to other people, you will receive passive income from their purchases. Recommend bonds to your friends and acquaintances. Profit is credited instantly. It is a percentage of the amount of bonds purchased by your partners. The business network generates income over 10 levels in depth. 7% on level 1, minus 3% on level 2, minus 2.5% on level 3, minus 2% on level 4, minus 1.5% on level 5, minus 1% on level 6, minus 1% on level 7, minus 1% on level 8, minus 0.5% on level 9, and minus 0.05% on level 10. Track the purchases of your affiliates and their invited friends in digital banking. It has very handy community tools. But that's not all. By building your business network as an active Shao Bank partner, you can also enjoy an additional reward: tokens. There are 2 balances in your digital banking. The first is your Shao Bank debit card, which is credited with all your dividends and bonuses from the affiliate program. These funds are available for withdrawal on your e-wallet at any time. The minimum withdrawal amount is only HK $50, equivalent to US $6.5. The second is the T balance, which is credited with all the tokens you receive as an additional bonus from the referral program. For example, your level 1 partner purchased bonds worth HK $10,000. You instantly received 7%. That's HK $700. You also received tokens from this purchase as an additional bonus. HK $1 equals 12 tokens. HK $700 times 12 equals 8,400 tokens, which you received from this purchase. How can you spend tokens? 1. Cost-effective for you. Purchase new levels in the referral program. After opening a bank account, by default, you will have 1 level open. The rest of the levels you buy with tokens. It is easy to do. You will maximize efficiency and earn more profit and tokens through the referral program. To open all 10 levels, you will need 98,000 tokens. 2. Tokens can be converted into real money by buying gift cases in the Shao marketplace. Common, reward from 4 to 40 HKD, worth only 1,000 tokens. Rare, reward from 800 to 2,400 HKD, worth 100,000 tokens. Mystical, reward from 2,400 to 4,800 HKD, worth 200,000 tokens. Legendary, reward from 6,000 to 12,000 HKD, worth 500,000 tokens. Immortal, reward from 12,000 to 36,000 HKD, worth 1 million tokens. By buying a case, you win a cash prize. The prize amount depends on your luck. Each of the cases can be bought once a day. If you are an ambitious and experienced investor with community skills, Shao Bank has a special offer for you to become an official agent of the bank in your country. In order to apply for the position of a Shao Bank agent, you need to have a minimum of 10 investors in your community. Upon signing a contract, you will receive funding for the development of your community, additional bonuses, and a monthly salary. For more information on employment, please contact Wai Liu, Senior Account Manager. How to become a bond owner and receive dividends. First of all, you need a referral link from your upline sponsor. Follow it to the bank's official website. Find the registration button and go through the registration procedure by providing your details. Then confirm your identity by KYC verification. The verification only takes about 10 minutes. After that, go to the section Bonds and select the series and number of bonds you want to buy. At this stage, you will see the calculation of your future profit. The next step is to purchase the bonds directly. Choose a payment method. For example, USDT or Bitcoin. There are 16 payment methods in total. Make the transfer and check the availability of your securities and contract in the bond history. You will receive the first dividends on your debit card balance in precisely 7 days. The profit will be received every 7 days for 3 years. And these funds will be available for withdrawal at any time. Note that the number of bonds is always limited. When they run out, the bank issues new bonds with different yields and prices. Keep track of the current series of bonds in your digital banking. To date, Shao Bank has surpassed all the expectations of its competitors and is rapidly developing around the world. In 2023, the bank plans to open branches in several countries in test mode. And in 2024, will begin to open regional branches in many countries and cities. To be a client of Shao Bank means to receive a fantastic stable income, gain financial independence, and the utmost respect of others.